Good morning. I'm Devi Sena. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about pacemaker and overview. This topic is present in the subject medical electronics. Pacemaker and introduction. Pacemaker is an electrical pulse generator for starting or maintaining the normal heartbeat. The output of the pacemaker is either externally to the chest or internally to the heart muscle. In the case of cardiac standstill, the use of the pacemaker is temporary, just long enough to start a normal heart rhythm. In the cases requiring long-term pacing, the pacemaker is surgically implanted in the body and its electrodes are in direct contact with the heart. Generation of impulses. The contraction of the heart muscle in all animals with hearts is initiated by electrical impulses. The rate at which these impulses fire controls the heart rate. The cells that create these rhythmical impulses are called pacemaker cells and they directly control the heart rate. Heart's electrical system is represented here. The pulses are generated at the sinoatrial node. The generated impulses pass through other parts of the heart in this diagram. Here we are seeing the electrical system that is happening inside the heart. The pulses are started from the SA node and it passes through the AV node, and from the AV node it is passes to other parts of the heart. Function of heart and ECG waveform is represented here. In this diagram, the contraction and expansion of the heart is represented, and also the ECG waveform is also represented. The ECG waveform represents the contraction of the atrium and expansion of the ventricle. It is indicated here. Primary pacemaker. Cells in the SC node spontaneously depolarize, resulting in contraction approximately 100 times per minute. This native rate is constantly modified by the activity of sympathetic and parasympathetic nerve fibers so that the average resting cardiac rate in adult humans is about 70 beats per minute. Because the sinoatrial node is responsible for the rest of the heart's electrical activity, it is sometimes called as primary pacemaker. Secondary pacemaker. If the SC node does not function, a group of cells further down the heart will become the ectopic pacemaker of the heart. These cells form the atrioventricular node or AV node, which is an area between the left atrium and right ventricle within the atrial septum. The cells of the AV node normally discharge at about 40 to 60 beats per minute and are called the secondary pacemaker. Pacemaker potential. The pacemaker potential, also called the pacemaker current, is the slow positive increase in voltage across the cell's membrane. That is the membrane potential that occurs between the end of one action potential and the beginning of next action potential. This increase in membrane potential is what causes the cell membrane, which typically maintains a resting membrane potential of minus 70 millivolts, to reach the threshold potential and consequently fire the next action potential. Thus, The pacemaker potential is what drives the self-generated rhythmic firing, that is automaticity of pacemaker cells, and the rate of change, that is the slope of the pacemaker potential, is what determines the timing of the next action potential and thus the intrinsic firing rate of the cell. In a healthy sinusoidal node, the pacemaker potential is the main determinant of the heart rate because the pacemaker potential represents the non-contracting time between heartbeats, that is diastole. It is also called the diastolic depolarization. Artificial pacemaker. A pacemaker or artificial pacemaker, so as not to be confused with the heart's natural pacemaker, is a medical device that uses electrical impulses delivered by electrodes contracting the heart muscles to regulate the beating of the heart. The primary purpose of a pacemaker is to maintain an adequate heart rate, either because the heart's natural pacemaker is not fast enough or there is a block in the heart's electrical conduction system. Pacemaker representation is shown below. Here, the pacemaker is connected to the heart in order to induce the sinusoidal node for generating the pulses. There is another representation of the pacemaker, that is implantable cardiovector defibrillator, ICD. Heart rate. The normal heart rate is 60 to 100 beats per minute. A higher rate than this, that is above 100 beats per minute, is called tachycardia. A slower rate, that is below 60 beats per minute than this, called bradycardia, that is slow heart. Cardiac arrhythmia representation. Here is a representation of a normal heartbeat as well as the abnormal heartbeats. By seeing this visualization, we can identify the difference between the normal heartbeat as well as the abnormal heartbeats. Tachycardia representation is shown here. In this diagram, we are visualizing the heart beats very fastly, that is BPM is greater than 100. There is another representation of the ventricular tachycardia. The heart is beating very fastly. External stimulation is employed to restart the normal rhythm of the heart in the case of cardiac standstill. Standstill can occur during open heart surgery or whenever there is a sudden physical shock or accident. In that situation, the heart has to be stimulated externally with the help of the pacemaker. Internal stimulation is employed in cases requiring long-term pacing because of permanent damage that prevents normal self-triggering of the heart. Pacemaker pulses. The pulses should have the pulse to space ratio of 1:10,000. It should be negatively going pulses to avoid the ionization of the muscles. The pulse voltage is made variable to allow adjustments in the energy delivered by the pacemaker to the heart during each pulse. Electrodes for stimulation. Bipolar and unipolar electrodes are used for stimulating the heart. In the bipolar electrode, there are stimulating electrode and contact electrode, which serves as a return path for current to the pacemaker. The unipolar electrode, there is only stimulating electrode. The return path for current to the pacemaker is made through the body fluids in the unipolar electrode.
Thank you very much for listening this lecture. For further updates, kindly subscribe this channel. If you like this video means kindly share this video to your friends. Thank you.